Whether you want to live the laptop lifestyle or you just don't live in the US, a lot of you are wondering if you can actually do online arbitrage from outside of the US. So I'm going to answer this question and I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it, because the answer is yes, if you did not guess it. I'm going to explain to you right now how you can do online arbitrage from outside the US. Because if you don't know what online arbitrage is, you basically buy products online on websites such as Walmart, whatever online website, whatever online retailer you can find profitable products, and then you receive it at your house. You prep the products, because I have a whole video on that, by the way, but because you need to put a barcode label on your product. So when your product actually sells, and when it arrives to Amazon warehouses, when they scan it, they can keep track of your inventory and keep track of your sales and stuff. So you can do it from outside of the US. You can, even if you are in the US, you can do it without ever seeing or touching your products. And for that, you will need to hire a company to take care of receiving your product, checking your product, putting that label on your product, and sending it to Amazon warehouses. So those companies are called prep centers. How to find a prep center? So you are going to go on Google, you are going to type, and you want to find a prep center in one of the tax-free states, because that way you will not pay sales taxes. So even if you are living in the US, it can be interesting for you to actually go with a prep center, because you will save money. Of course, you will need to pay the company a little something to prep your products. Usually it's in between $1 to $1.50 per unit. So for example, I live in Florida, so I pay 7% taxes on pretty much everything except groceries and OTC medication. So for any items that's basically above $7, above $20, 20 something dollars, if I pay up to $1.50 per unit, if I pay this to a prep center to prep my products, I'm basically saving money. Because let me make the calculation real quick. 1.07. So if I buy a product at $20, I pay basically $1.40 in taxes. So if I delegate this and I ship my items to a prep center in a tax-free state, I'm basically saving that money, and whatever I'm saving in tax, I'm just paying the company when it's above $20. So what you want to do to find a prep center is go to Google, type the states, type prep center, and then the states in which you want your prep center to be. So the tax-free states are Montana. There's a few, just Google it. You can do Montana. There's Delaware. A lot of people are doing it in Delaware. I may be wrong with Delaware, but there's a couple of states where you do not pay taxes. So you want to go with those prep centers. The thing you want to keep in mind, do not go with the prep centers that everyone is using, because if you do that, you can deal with those prep centers' address being blacklisted from online retailers. So it can be a headache, especially on websites such as Target. I've heard that happening. I do not use a prep center myself. I'm actually helping a friend that is outside of the US to actually get a prep center right now. And what you want to do is go on Google, type, for example, Delaware Prep Center, and look for a prep center, or Montana, whatever. And look for a prep center, try to contact them and get on a call with them. Try to get on a call with them to see how they work and stuff. And so what you want to do is, so how it's going to work is you are going to send your items to them. They're going to get them ready and they're going to ship them to Amazon. So that way you do not have to prep your items yourself. And this is how you can do online arbitrage from outside of the US. So if you want to learn how to find discounted gift cards to increase your profits when you do online arbitrage, check out this other video. I'll see you in the next one every day, every single day, a new video release at 3 p.m. I'll see you tomorrow.